Hello everyone, welcome to RPA Learners, and in this video we're going to see how to create a worksheet in Excel using Robocop. In the last video we have seen how to create an Excel using Robocop. Now we are creating a new sheet in the same Excel. So let me first show you the Excel that we created, which is data Excel, and it has one sheet which is sheet. Now we are going to create another sheet by using Robocop. So let me close this one first, and the keyword that we are using to create a new worksheet is create worksheet. This is the keyword that we are going to use in today's video, and it has 4 different arguments, which is name, content, exist okay, and header. These are the 4 different arguments that you need to aware of before using this keyword. Name is the name of the new worksheet which we are going to create, and the content, if you are writing something on the new Excel, you need to provide the content which need to be written on that new sheet. Exist okay, if you are creating a sheet which is already exist, if you want to throw an error because the sheet name is already exist there, or if you want to continue with the same sheet, so this argument gives those values. If it is false, it will raise an error that it is already in use. If it is true, it will continue with that. And header, if you are writing some content into that new sheet, then if you want to write it with headers, you can use this option. So now we know about the keyword which we are using. We will move to the how we can write the code in Robocop. Let me open Robocop here. This is the code that we used to create the new Excel file, which is data.xlsx. Here we already have data.xlsx, so we are not going to create a new workbook again. Instead, we are going to use another keyword, which is open, because we need to open that workbook and then write this. So let me copy this variable, or you can provide the variable name, which is you need to provide it as in dollars, and then the file name. File name is my variable here, so it will has the data.xlsx, which it will open the data.xlsx, and then what we need to do, we need to create a worksheet. So check for the keyword which is create worksheet, and you can see here create worksheet method, where it has 4 different arguments which we discussed as name, content, exist okay, and headers. So let's see how we can pass them. We are not gonna pass like this. There are several ways to pass the values. First, we are going to give the name, which is data, and let's say the other option which we need to pass is headers, is the content. Are you passing the content or not? If you are not passing the content, you need to pass it as none. And if you are trying to create a new sheet which is already exist with the same name, or you are not, so now we are creating it as a false, and we are not writing any headers there, so it is also false. So these are the 4 different arguments that you need to pass. You can also pass with the argument name equal to on this, anything that you want to. Here we are not creating a new Excel, we are creating a new worksheet in Excel. So let's change that, and let's also change this one, create new Excel, create new worksheet in Excel. So this is the function, and then here creating new Excel worksheet. Okay, now the code is ready, so let's run this and see whether it is creating a new sheet with name data. Click on restart. And you can see the state is busy and it is idle now. and we can also see the report whether everything is went right or not. You can go to tasks and then look at each keyword whether it is successful or not. Now it is a pass scenario, and let's see the output. Let's go here and then check whether the data is indicated there or not. Here you can see the new sheet is created. Now we will check for the exist OK method, exist OK argument. Let's make this true and try to create with the same name. What will happen here is it will throw us an error. Let's see what's the error it will throw us. Now we restarted it again. And if I go to logs, okay, let's do one thing. Let's make it here. Right, if it is true it will continue, right? As I said, we need to make it as a false, and there is already the value present there, so it will throw us an error. See, we can see that because the error is the sheet with name data already exists. So if you pass this as a false, then it will give you, if there is a new sheet which is already with the same name, there is a sheet with already with the same name, it will throw you an error. If you pass it as a true, it will continue with the execution that we seen earlier. So if you go to log here, you can see only this keyword is successful, which is opening the workbook, and the next keyword is failed because you can see the error here. This sheet with the name already exists. So this is how you create a new sheet in Robocop, and that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.